Hey, 2012 Nissan Altima 3.5. We got the PO 335. So we will be doing the crank sensor, and I'll show you how to do it, where it's at, and then we'll clear this out. So let's get started. All right, you're gonna go right here. It's your transmission right here. Of course, that's the engine. You're gonna go right here where your transmission is, right up. That's gonna be your crank sensor right here. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter right here. Of course, unplug it. Get your little 10 millimeter on there. You're plugging out of the way. All right, pull your bolt out with your sensor like that. Install your sensor and put your bolt in there, of course. All right, make sure you tighten it up good. Snug it up good in there. There we go. All right. Of course, plug it back up. Make sure it snaps on there. And then we'll go clear that up. All right, we're gonna crank it up here in just a second. Clear the coat out. This is the part number if you're needing to know it. 19-0352. Okay, see how she does. Oh yeah. All right. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't